What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, it's Friday and you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. So today we're going to do something very quick, fast, and easy. The kids just went back to school, so I know time is pressing for you. We're going to do Italian sausage and peppers, guys. This is so quick, so easy, perfect for a weeknight when the kids get home. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. I love getting this video to multiple people, so that's how it works. Share it, and we can all benefit. But let's go ahead and get started with some Italian sausage and peppers. Let's start with our supporting cast. So with this one, it's a very easy recipe, as I stated. It's very quick, very easy. A few minutes of prep, about a 10-minute cook time in a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, this will work in a slow cooker. You just put it in there and leave it for 4 hours. So all we need is a little bit of minced garlic. You can use your favorite marinara sauce that comes in a can or bottle. It's totally up to you. I got my black pepper. I got a little bit of leaf oregano, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and this is nothing more but a little bit of basil. And then I have some just regular vegetable cooking oil, guys. And then of course the star of the show is my Italian sausage, and I got my peppers cut up already over on this side. So guys, this is very easy, very quick. It's really just put it in the pot, let it go. It's really that simple. We're gonna sear off the Italian sausage. The reason being is because it's not gonna have any brownness to it if you just steam it in the pressure cooker. So we're gonna sear it off and give it that nice color. So we're basically I'm gonna put a little bit of oil here in the pressure cooker, enough to coat the bottom. And we're gonna let this get hot. It takes really about 2 or 3 minutes before it gets hot. And then we're just gonna simply put in our sausage there. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time here, and then I'll put the sausage in. All right, guys, so we're gonna put these in here. And I'm gonna probably put about 5 of them at a time. You don't wanna overcrowd it. I'll fit one more in here. We're gonna get them nice and brown on all sides here. There we go. I might be able to fit one more in there without overcrowding. There we go. So we're simply just gonna brown these off and get a nice colorization on all sides here. The sausage is browning away in there. One side is kind of nice and brown there, so I'm gonna continue turning those a little bit until it get brown on the other side. And I put my other batch in. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, guys. And I've seared off all of my sausage here. So as you can see, they're in the pan, they're in the pressure cooker now. I've seared them all off. They're nice and golden brown. Next step, all we're gonna do is add the peppers. I've got red, yellow, orange, and I got a whole onion cut up in here. So this is all my peppers, and I have a jalapeno in here, just to get a little heat, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't add all the ribs and stems, which if you didn't know, that's where all the heat comes from. So I took out half of the ribs and stems, seeds and ribs in the jalapeno, just not so it's not so hot. So let me go ahead and add these. Add those to my sausage. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt first. Always season my vegetables. About a tablespoon and a half, or teaspoon and a half of salt. A little bit of black pepper. You know me, I'm heavy-handed with the pepper, but I like my pepper. All right, and then we're gonna add a tad bit of basil. Probably about a teaspoon of basil. And we're gonna add a little bit of leaf oregano. Spice up this marinara sauce here. I got stuff all over the place. And we're gonna go ahead and add the marinara sauce now. Now this was a perfect opportunity for me to try this. I've never used Classico. I don't like my marinara sauce to be too sweet, so this was a perfect opportunity since I'm just using one of these. Don't know what it tastes like. I hope it tastes good. So we're gonna pour this in here. All right. And on top of that, I'm gonna add a little bit more of my leaf oregano on top of that. Kick it up a little bit. And then we're gonna add, of course, I can't cook without my garlic. I got some minced garlic. We're gonna use a hefty heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. And it's really that simple, guys. All you have to do is put the stuff in the pressure cooker, and we're gonna turn it on now and let it go. And it does not take long. So as always, as I always start with the pressure cooker, I always pull this little tab out, and it allows that ring to seat a little bit better on the top of the pressure cooker. So we're gonna basically just put it on here. Let's see if I can get it the right way. Put it on here. And we're gonna lock it in. If you guys haven't seen my video doing that, check it out on my YouTube page. All right, so make sure it's lined up and locked in. So for this one, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna hit the soup stew button. So I'm gonna automatically make it 10 minutes, but I'm gonna increase it to high, and then I'm gonna increment it down to 10 minutes again. That's all the time this takes. So as you're gonna see, things are gonna go around here. It's gonna build pressure. It won't take that long to build pressure because I've already seared off the sausage. So it's still a little hot. So it's gonna build up pressure. It's gonna cook for 10 minutes once the pressure builds. And then we're just gonna simply release the pressure. Back here, 10 minutes went by. Super quick, super easy. I've already taken off the top, released the pressure, taken the top off, and now I stirred it up. Look at that, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up, guys. I'm gonna use a bed of rice. So I'm gonna put it over some rice. Here we go, another perfection on the plate, guys. Peppers and onions in the pressure cooker, quick, easy meal. 10 minutes is all it took. Well, a little bit of time prepping, but 10 minutes was the cook time. It took 5 minutes to build the pressure, 10 minutes of cook time, and we were done. And I'm showing you this. Hey guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dish, guys. You can cut these up as well once you're done searing them or cooking them. You can cut the sausage up if you like. I left them whole, but I'm gonna take a bite of them. Show you how tender they are. Look at this. No knife needed. A little sauce. Got my rice here. A little bit of jasmine rice. Grab me a bite of the pepper. A bite of the sausage. I don't know how much closer to heaven you want to get. That's it. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. Check out my websites, Big Tone Reviews, and also Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, it's that simple. Big Tone, signing off, guys. Peace.